Think AI is coming for your job? Well, maybe it is, but not these 5 roles. Let me show you why humans will always win in these 5 roles. Quick backstory. I started with a creative media degree, became a graphics designer, and watched AI tools eat through design briefs overnight. It was crazy. That was one of the many reasons I decided to pivot to sales and key account management, where people skills matter more than pixels. Today, I'll share 5 careers built on human superpowers: empathy, creativity, judgment, emotional intelligence, and ethics, and why AI can't steal them. Number 1, key account management / sales consultant. First up, roles like key account manager or sales consultant. AI can't read subtle body language or adapt on the fly when a client's tone shifts. Your ability to sense unspoken needs and turn it into a bespoke solution is irreplaceable. Here's a small tip. After every call, jot down the client's emotional hot buttons and use that intel to personalize your next proposal. Number 2, brand strategist / creative director. Sure, AI can generate options, but it can't weave cultural nuance, humor, or a purpose-driven narrative that resonates on a human level. Pro tip, cultivate a SWOT file of real-world campaigns that moved people. Study the psychology behind them, not just the visuals. Number 3, high-stakes negotiators and complex problem solvers. Ever wondered who cracks those 7-figure deals? Negotiators and consultants who juggle politics, egos, and gray areas. AI can crunch numbers, but it can't read the room when 3 VPs are on the line. Quick tip, role play tough scenarios with a buddy. Practice pivoting your offer in real time. Number 4, emotional support and coaching professionals. From executive coaches to therapists, these experts rely on deep listening and emotional resonance. A chatbot might spit out advice, but it won't pick up your subtle sigh or the tear in your client's eye. Quick tip, master the art of the reflective pause. Ask a question and then stay silent. Let the client fill the space. Number 5, ethics officers and AI governance leads. Finally, roles overseeing AI itself: chief ethics officer, compliance lead, data privacy manager, etc. We need humans to set values, question biases, and enforce accountability. No algorithm will decide what's right. That's a human judgment call. Here's a quick tip. Build a quick bias checklist for any new tool that your company adopts. So there you have it. 5 careers anchored in human strengths that AI can't fake. Which one speaks to you? Drop your pick in the comments. If you're carving out an AI-proof career, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs career confidence. Thanks, guys.